And talk to us first about the ramp up in spending in terms of advertising. This seems to have been what's eaten into the bottom line.
We're doing that consequently. So we're always looking at opportunities, and in the moment where we see a positive ROI on our investment, so we keep on spending. Our share currently of the market is still quite small, so we still see a great opportunity to grow the company. So we think it's not wise to now totally go for profitability. So we will always do what we promised our shareholders in the beginning. We will, slightly increase our margin over time, but reinvest into growth. And I think the current quarter with 67% growth is also a sign of that.
Yeah, certainly revenue up 67%. Why then, when I'm looking at my Bloomberg terminal, I'm typing in #BTV7472, I can see the market capitalization dropping by $1 billion. If your investors knew this was going to be your strategy, why do you think the sell-off? Does it worry you?
No, we don't manage the markets. We don't manage the stock price. We manage a company, and then we can be as transparent as possible about what we're doing. And we have very consistently told the markets, what we're up for, what we're doing, and we're always telling them the same story over the last year. And I think in general, I think that is what you can see right now in the stock price, trading up from our initial IPO price of 11 euro. You can see the growth over time, and I think our free float is quite small. There's also lots of volatility in the stock, and so I think you shouldn't overinterpret even if it's going up or down. So I think I always said when we went to IPO, I always said let's look after a year. And let's see where we are, and be continuously managing the business for long-term profitability, and then we'll see where we are.